We just had hair wash day, and she's feeling so cool today. She's looking so beautiful. You guys see her pose, see her leg. She looks so gorgeous. Oh, my daughter is so grown up, guys. Mama, I love you. She's looking so grown. Her hair in an afro, the outfit. We're going to salon to go and make this hair, but I'm like, nah, you're looking too pink.
No.
Yes, you are going. You're so pretty. I can't take it. Gosh. Daddy's taking you pictures. So look at Daddy. Daddy's taking you pictures. It's the way. Look at her legs. See the pose. Hey, God, you are not ready for this girl. The world is not ready for you, my baby. The world ain't ready. You are gorgeous. Look at you. Wow. You guys, look at what her daddy's taking her. Oh, Lord, look at those. You guys, look. You guys, if this is not my face, I don't know what is. Like, if this is not my face, I do not know what it is. Look at, that's literally me. That's literally me right there. The hell? Mia? You're gorgeous, girl. Look at you. I'm so proud of this little one, Sha. Like, I'm super proud of you. Is the plant itching your hand? Is it itching? Okay, don't go too close to it. Look, Daddy's showing you your pictures. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Just like Mama. Just like me. No, I don't want to pack the hair. It's gorgeous this way.
Why?
Because I said so. Wait, there's something on your hair.
Oh,
Okay,
Mommy,
sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, okay, Queen. I hear you. I hear you. Yes, yes. Yes, you're a queen.
No, I'm not a queen. I'm the princess.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I am the queen and you are the princess. I'm so sorry, darling. I'm so sorry, my girl. So can I go take a shower and then we go to the salon? We're going to the salon because you have to make your hair for school tomorrow.
Please.
Remember?
Please, Mommy.
You guys help me beg this girl. We are going to the salon, please, dear.
Please.
Please, dear. Okay, can I get a kiss? Okay, alright, I hear you. I hear you.
2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down, we sing along. The summer night has just begun. The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Calling sick in the morning, baby, don't leave. They don't need to know we're out here wild and free. They say we're crazy, it's too much. And yeah, we're crazy, deep in love. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. This is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. This is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. 2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down, we sing along. The summer night has just begun. The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Wanna go. Calling sick in the morning, baby, don't leave. They don't need to know we're out here wild and free. They say we're crazy, it's too much. And yeah, we're crazy, deep in love. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. This is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. This is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna.
Hi guys, so I've spent literally the whole day cooking. You guys saw I made like some turkey sauce and I made soup, egusi soup. So I just ate not too long ago, but hours ago I Mia is looking at me like, what is she saying? Hours ago. But hours ago, after I finished all of my work for the day, I was working from like 8 a.m. till like 1 p.m. at a stretch non-stop, so I was super tired. And I put out like a boomerang on my Insta story saying, I've been working for hours and I'm so tired, who will send me lunch? And about an hour or two after, this brand called Platters & Co. Abuja, they reached out and they were like, oh, we didn't see this on time, but we can send you dinner if you don't mind. I'm like, I don't mind. At that point, I was going to market to go and buy things to cook. But yeah, they actually sent me something, and not just something, they sent me a big box. I've already unboxed this on my Insta stories. Mama, stop. I've already unboxed this on my Insta stories, but let me just show you guys before I start diving into this box, okay? So it came in this box, right? And in this box is this big plate of chicken salad, and this chicken in here looks so good. Like, you know how you know that chicken looks good just by looking at it? It looks so good. I can see grapes, I can see cucumber, sweet corn, I can see beetroots, carrots, eggs. I think, are these olives? What are these? Olives or mushrooms? I don't know what they are, but yeah, just a nice big plate of salad. Me, I just here doing this girl. Anyway, then also in the box there was this nice loaf. I can see coconut flakes on the top, so in my head this must be banana bread with coconut toppings or something in my head though, but it has a lot of weight. And more breakfast go choke tomorrow, because I'm definitely having this for breakfast tomorrow. There were also these paninis. This one is a tuna panini. Jesse's already here eating the, which one was this one? Barbecue chicken panini, and it's nice, right?
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna be having this one. Then there's also this in the box, this Martinelli apple juice. And then there's cream or dressing for my salad over there. And then there's still jollof rice. Is it jollof rice now or special rice or something? Because it's rice. Rice is rice, Abby. But yeah, I really love the face of this rice. Like, it looks so good. This one is just excited because anything that concerns food, you see her there. But yeah, so it was a very loaded box. Thank you so much to Platters and Co. Abuja. I really appreciate this lovely box of goodies. Let me dive in. For now, I've already had rice and turkey sauce. I can't even eat this rice maybe until tomorrow or something. I'll have this tuna panini and this apple juice right now.
Hello me, but is this Adeze? I'm not sure again. I don't know if I'm saying it right. I'm not sure if I'm working in the past by yours as well. Hi, Alma.
Hi, Adeze.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hi.
I know it was so much on short notice. I'm sorry about the change. It's typically not the easiest to schedule with so many people. As we know, this particular segment of the project. So I'll talk about the main project and then the micro-influence a bit.
The next day.
Hi guys. So it has been one heck of an afternoon, guys. One heck of an afternoon. Okay, it's raining cats and dogs, right? Hold on. It's raining cats and dogs, and leaving my house. Where am I even going? First and foremost, I'm going to meet up with Jennifer Okolo, Abuja mom blogger. You guys may know her. I featured her a couple of times in the vlog. So we're meeting up today. We were supposed to meet up today for lunch, 2 p.m. It's almost 4 p.m. Alma is not there. Let me explain why. So I came out of my house and there was mad traffic, and I mean mad traffic. The map was showing me 40 minutes to get to Usetu from my house, which is ridiculous. It only shows you that when the traffic is insane. I was able to cross traffic after like 20 minutes or so, and heading towards town, I could see that the black clouds were forming. It was a very hot day today. The sun was legit mad, so I could see as I was driving towards town that the black clouds were forming and it was going to rain. But I was just praying I would get to Usetu before the rain starts. That prayer fell on deaf ears, because getting into central area, the heavy rain, it was so heavy, so crazy, so heavy. So let me lock my door because I'm in the middle of the road and I don't want anybody to open my car and carjack. Abuja has not been safe recently. But anyways, the rain began and I lost visibility. I couldn't see, so I'm just like, you know what, this rain is damn too heavy. Let me just clear and chill and wait it out until the rain stops, right? So as I was about to turn off my hazard and turn off my engine, my car went off. My car went off, guys. It went off. The battery sign was showing on the dashboard and then it went off. And I'm just like, okay, double wahala, because not only is it raining heavily, my car has now given me a sign that it's not going to move from this spot today to go where I'm going to. So I turned it off, turned off the ignition, waited for like a few minutes, turned it on again. It came on, but that battery sign is still there and there's a sound I'm hearing coming from the engine. Turned it off again, waited, tried again, the same thing. I just called my husband because you guys see, when it comes to car wahala, I hand this car over to him. Like I can't deal. Wahala for who no get husband, sha. Wahala for who after I no get husband, because I cannot deal. And this meet up today has to happen, because I promised Jennifer we're going to meet up over like God knows how many months ago. We keep saying we'll meet up, we'll do lunch, and finally we set a date for this lunch and this is happening. So she has been there. I just called my husband. I'm just like, you know what, babes, I beg, I don't know what's going on. So he was like, don't try to move the car. It could be your alternator, it could be your this one, maybe your fan belt ascot. Maybe I say gibberish, come and do it. Just call the mechanic. You should come and carry this thing and do what you do best. He said, okay, he'll be on his way. I can use his own car and go where I'm going to, and then the mechanic come and meet him here. Like, we could switch cars. I would use his own car and go where I'm going to, and then, you know, the mechanic will meet him here. I said, yes, very good. That's all I want to know. That's all I want to hear. I'm waiting for him, Sha. He said he'll soon be here. So I'm waiting for him. I've called Jennifer, and Jennifer is also waiting for me. So yeah, anyways, whenever I get to Jennifer, you guys will see what we get up to. But I just thought to update you guys on the dramatic turn of events that I have used my eye to see today. So I'm in my car right now. The car is off. The rain has subsided. Let me show you guys. It's still raining, but obviously it's a lot better. It's just drizzling at this point. It was so heavy before, so damn heavy before. When hubby gets here, I'll carry his car. I will snatch his car from him and be going where I'm going to, and they can do whatever they want to do with this. Cause a car can disappoint at any given time. At any given time, as in, he was like, your alternator can decide to just fail at any time. Just like, can you imagine? I think that's him. Yay, he's here. Oh, he's here. He's here. He came to rescue me. Let me go and snatch your car. Be going where I'm going. The hubby just checked and he said it's my fan belt that cuts. So there we have it. I'm out of here. Finally, fine girl. Finally, I'm here. Took me 3 hours to get here because of everything that happened to me today.
I don't really need new friends, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeously. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I'm golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours.
I'm looking for the first time. English.
Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want.
How many snails are here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 snails. So circle number 5 there. Good girl. Good girl. How many mangoes are here?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good. So circle number 4 there. Good girl. 3. And what number did they write there?
3.
3. Good. So what number is this?
1.
All right. So draw 1 line.
1.
Very good. What number is that?
4.
4. So draw 4 lines. Starting from here. 3. Another one. 4. Good. Very good. What number is this?
5.
5. I have to draw 5 lines this time around. All right, let's go.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. Very, very good.
2.
2. So draw 2 lines. 1 and 2. Very good. And the teacher says
Stop.
stop. Okay, circle the first letter of each picture. Okay?
Yeah.
So this is what?
I.
An ant stands with letter.
A.
And A is circled, right?
Yes.
Awesome. So now, what is this?
It's jump.
It's a drum. Good. And the drum starts with letter
D.
D. So circle letter D. Good girl.
Okay.
Very good.
Oh, it is B.
Good girl. Now circle letter B. Very good. Now what is this?
A cow.
A cow. And cow starts with letter. Cow starts with letter.
A.
How can cow start with letter A?
C.
Okay, C. So circle letter C. Circle C.
Okay.
A frog. And the frog starts with letter. Good. Now circle your letter F.
Okay.
Very good. That's my girl. What is this? What? You don't know what that is?
Yeah.
How can you not know, girl? What is that? It's a what?
I don't know.
You don't know. That's an axe.
An axe.
Yeah, and an axe starts with letter
A.
Good. Now circle it.
it have 2 A's.
Yeah, there are 2 A's. Very correct. All right.
I love doing my homework.
You do? You love doing your homework. You're so cute. All right, and the last one, what is that?
A fish.
A fish, and a fish starts with letter.
So F.
Good. Now circle letter F.
We have 2 F now.
They do.
Yes.
And the teacher says, stop.
See you